Music rocks. Yeah.
Back, we're rolling.
Oh, jeez. Let's play the Song of 1812, or the Boom Song, boom, at 60 beats per minute. Boom.
1, 2, 3, 4. C. C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom for 2 beats. C. And remember, this song is great to play loud because it's forte and it's about cannons exploding and stuff. So play it nice and loud. That's the Italian word forte, the musical word for loud. And when you've got it complete, go ahead and mark it as done at the bottom.
Everybody, great job. That's it. Nice work. Real solid. Great.